Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you haven't subscribed and followed, click the subscribe button and follow me on Facebook to see more great content. Make sure to watch amazing previous tutorials on Excel. Let us start the tutorial for today. In today's video, we will learn how to use nested if or IFS function in Excel. We will see how to get grades for each student based on the given scores specified. Enter the if formula and select the score as a logical test. If it is greater than or equal to 90, return A. If false, we usually enter the value and close the function. However, as we are using nested if, enter the if function again to continue if it is not greater than 90 and check if it is greater than or equal to 80. Return B. Again enter an if function to check if the score is greater than or equal to 70 to return C. If greater than equal to 60, return D. Else, return F and close all the brackets. Hit enter and drag the formula to the end of the list. Now if we observe the formula, it checks each score and returns the grade once the logic is met as specified. Moving on to IFS function, introduced in newer versions of Excel, which can be used to enhance the function. Instead of using multiple if functions, enter the function and select the score to check if greater than equal to 90, then return A. Instead of using another if, just continue with the logics. If greater than equal to A, return B. If greater than equal to 70, return C. If greater than equal to 60, return D. Now instead of greater than, use if the score is less than 60, return F. Drag the formula to the end of the list. Now observe the formula returning as per the given logic when using both the functions nested if or ifs. As in nested if, we are using multiple if. In the newer function, there is no need to use multiple if. Change the score to check the formula getting updated. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Stay tuned.